Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into 9 creative garden hacks that will transform your outdoor space. From eco-friendly seed starters to unique planters, these ideas are easy, fun, and budget-friendly. Let's get started. Hack 1 Egg Carton Seed Starter. First up, the Egg Carton Seed Starter. This eco-friendly hack is perfect for getting your garden started. Here's how. Take an empty egg carton and fill each compartment with soil. Plant your seeds and water gently. Once seedlings are ready, you can easily transplant them by cutting out each section. Hack 2 Old Tights as Garden Ties. Next, let's turn old tights into garden ties. This hack is gentle on your plants and helps reduce waste. Here's what to do. Cut old pantyhose or tights into strips. Use these soft strips to tie and support your growing plants. These ties are stretchy and won't damage delicate stems as your plants grow. Hack 3 DIY Watering Can from a Milk Jug. Create a simple watering can from a milk jug. This is perfect for gentle watering of delicate plants. Here's how. Clean out an empty milk jug. Use a small nail to poke several holes in the cap. Now you have a free, customizable watering can that's great for seedlings and indoor plants. Hack 4 Vinegar for Fresh Flowers. Keep your cut flowers fresh longer with this simple hack. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar to your vase water. Change the water every few days, repeating the process. This mixture helps prevent bacterial growth and provides nutrients to keep your flowers blooming longer. Hack 5 Old Shutter Vertical Garden. Transform an old shutter into a vertical garden. This is perfect for small spaces or adding visual interest. Here's how. Clean and paint an old wooden shutter if desired. Attach small pots or planters to the slats. Fill with soil and plants of your choice. This creates a beautiful space-saving garden that can be hung on a wall or fence. Hack 6 Repurposed Wagon Planter. Give new life to an old wagon by turning it into a charming planter. Clean out an old kid's wagon. Drill drainage holes if needed. Fill with soil and your favorite flowers or vegetables. This adds a whimsical, nostalgic touch to your garden and is easy to move around. Hack 7 Mosaic Flower Pots. Create beautiful mosaic flower pots with this simple technique. Gather broken tiles or glass pieces, apply them to a plain terracotta pot using tile adhesive. Once dry, grout the spaces between pieces. This transforms ordinary pots into unique works of art for your garden. Hack 8 Compost Bin from Pallets. Build an eco-friendly compost bin using old pallets. Arrange 4 pallets in a square, securing them at the corners. Add a 5th pallet as a removable front for easy access. This creates a sturdy, inexpensive compost bin to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Hack 9 Gazing Ball from Old Bowling Ball. Finally, let's create a decorative gazing ball from an old bowling ball. Clean the bowling ball thoroughly. Paint it with vibrant colors or patterns of your choice. Once dry, place it on a stand or directly in your garden. This adds a unique, eye-catching element to your outdoor space. And there you have it, 9 creative garden hacks that are easy to implement and will add charm to your outdoor space. From seed starters to unique planters, these ideas prove that gardening can be both fun and eco-friendly. If you enjoyed these garden hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack or your own garden tips in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!